might introduce you to our slightly rough Ford Focus ST170. No MOT, no service history. Look at this crustiness. Looking a bit mingy.
Some dead spiders.
Here we go.
That is really, really dirty water.
That's why this is off. So.
Yay!
We're going to get spraying.
A giant shower cap. Wheel 1 ready.
Do you want test spray?
Safety first. Second coat of paint. Just going to insert next to this a before photograph.
That's an FT.
Yeah.
There we go. First we're looking here.
Yeah, I was going to say. Opportunity.
Well, those shocks look new.
They do.
Bloody hell. Bit of corrosion up there, but we can sort that out. These are the brake pipes here. Oh, they're all right. Oh, they'll be fine. Flexies look good. See, this is just like surface. Okay?
Yeah.
Brake pads, look, really good. Look, see the brake pads there? That's material. Loads in there.
Oh, yeah.
You feel that, look? There's hardly any lip.
There isn't.
No.
There isn't.
But they've been replaced. They're new.
I wonder if it's the same on both sides. Hopefully.
We'll find out, won't we?
We will.
All the nuts are not fine. Tie rod ends. This isn't bad. We'll clean that up, look.
So you paint these back to silver, you said?
Yeah. There could be a little hole in the seal, which might need a patch. Unless we can fill it in, which might be all right. Yeah, this here, look. We could feel that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, crusty. But not bad. No, that's right. No. They're not bad. This is a new brake pads. There's no misting there, which is good. The brake pads are really good. Oh, what's that in my head?
Dust.
Yeah, crap. Yeah, it's rusty, but it's not. No, just dirt. It's all right. A bit crusty, but then all the nuts, look. With a good clean up, it's the flexi hose here, look. It's all right. It's all that carpet and stuff. And those, look. Absolutely fine. That's a new caliper, look. Somebody sprayed it red like the front one. This is a new caliper. One team, day 3 of the ST170 revival. And so today, we are going to be just cleaning up all the crusty patches. Lots less representative. Wire brush it all off. But I say, it's been done recently. It's not too bad under there. Just needs a bit of a clean up. So we'll show the results later.
And Sean's very, very neat setup for the day. A little bit of carpet. There he goes.
Right, new wire brushes. Oh, pass one light as well, please. It's not too bad. Just getting the rough stuff off, really.
Yeah.
I've cleaned off all the loose rust, and now I'm just putting on some rust converter. So this turns rust into good metal. And dab it on nice and thick, and it should, as it cures, go black or blue. So this doesn't, it's only surface rust, so this will make it look nice, because we're going to stone chip it later. I've done the brake pipe here. Now it's all good, just need a little doobry. So this will all help.
Good.
So, the front near side, if you look down here, suspension parts, I just cleaned off all the flaky rust. Better here as well, let's see. I'm just giving it a good coat of rust protector. So that should all go bluey black and then put a bit of stone chip on. A bit of preventativeness. But again, like I said yesterday, this looks new, and I think that lower arm is new as well, which is this part here. Mm-hmm. So yeah, all the brake pipes look pretty good. That's a brake pipe there. I've given that a little, see here? That's brake pipe. That's the brake pipe. That's all done. It looks in good nick. It's not corroded. It's not leaking or anything, so that's all good. That's it. I'll move to the back now.
Yeah.
After a quick break. Well, I thought this was all filler.
Yeah.
There's metal there.
Okay.
There's metal there, let's see.
Yeah.
Can I have the rust preventers, please?
Yeah. Cool.
The love of his life. A happy birthday today, please. We're on the magical island of Mull with Olive, our lovely Greer. Tell her I love her immensely. That's how.
Yeah, so, as we've said before, weirdly...
Bit of rust there.
Yeah, a bit of rust all the way up there, so...
Can I take that?
Yeah.
Just get back to the next
Yeah.
Take your eye off it, as we say.
Exactly. Ooh.
I left the red paint.
Yeah.
But that was all a bit rusty today. So it's blue and blacky now, which means it's not perfect,
No. But...
it's done all right.
Yeah.
Now I've got to do this side now. And it's not... If you look around here quickly. So these aren't too crusty.
No.
Just wipe these off.
Yeah.
Like fabric, a weird look.
Yes, which is a bit
Oh no,
weird.
it's not there, thank God. That's all right. Yeah, not bad at all. Get rid of all this. Pads are good on that one. Look like brand new pads.
Yeah, they do. And the discs aren't lipped.
Really good. This piece tomorrow.
Like I said, I think it's almost like they just changed the brakes and the tyres and then tucked it away.
Yeah. Just a bit here. Get rid of the mud. This is actually, I've got some coming today, some spray stuff.
Oh, okay.
We look down here.
So this was just some of the nuts that fell on the floor earlier.
Yeah.
And
I'll show you. Some of the rusty bit all down here I've done as well.
yeah, just shine the light on that bit. Oh yeah.
Use
yeah.
a brake pipe, see?
Yeah.
Hopefully this is an original Ford Focus Mark 1 ST170 front grille. Scissors that I purchased from eBay. So it's original part, but it's second hand. Be careful these because they've got two plastic arms that come out that bolt on.
Right.
And they notoriously break.
Okay.
I saw about 3 on eBay and they were broken. And they're cunningly hiding it. These arms here break quite easy. This one will buy an original one because it's got Ford badge on.
Lovely.
There it is. Let's go fit it. Oh, tell you what, would you mind giving that a quick clean?
Yeah, we will come back in just a second. Just letting that soak in for a sec and then give it a wipe. Using our trusty co-spray and the interior detailer, even though this is exterior.
Bolt there. See it down there?
I do.
And there's one here, down there.
Yes, what's it?
And these just pop off. You're really careful not to break them. So also resell this one. There we go. And this one here as well just pops off. See?
Yeah.
Gives you a little bit better access to get this bloody bolt out, which is a pain. And then this one, which isn't, you've got a bit more access here. I did take this off for the day to see how it came off.
Oh.
And if the lock was attached to that, and it wasn't. And there's all clips along here that all then clipped and lifts off.
Lovely.
Now, what You can buy these online,
Yeah.
like aftermarket, but they don't come with the Ford badge. It does that.
Yeah.
So what I did, I took it off. I think you unscrew that, and that takes off this. You see?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's the original. You can see in there.
Yeah. Still got a
Original
little,
Ford.
Still got a little label.
So that will go. We'll keep that box, and we'll sew that on. This is blue. This might have been new front end. It might have had a dap, but they've just replaced this. A little cloth. I'll give that a little clean. That one needs a spray actually. Look. But it's off time being. Yeah, I don't think it's a ringer because obviously you've done a carburetor check. Yeah, I can maybe replace this bit.
Maybe that's why it had the grill on it.
This is the original ST grill. That's a normal grill.
That would explain why there's a different grill on there, perhaps.
Might be. Yeah. We're
Just
putting
be
his
a
face back on. Doesn't look much yet, but you wait and see. There we go. Clip, clip, clip. So, there we go. Cool. And then it's a case of put it back. Is that all straight there? Yes, it is. Oh, can you get the magnetic thing quickly?
Where is it?
So I got it to go. I knew I'd drop it. Kindly bought by my lovely wife, who's in a moody. Why don't you just start off with? Look, how much easier. It even turns on it, look.
Does it?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
only a little
cool.
bit, but enough to get it started. There's a few trim bits missing off here.
Yeah.
There. Right. Yes, that is the face of the Focus back. Yes. Little thing, some people, big thing for me. I'm the ST.
Happy with your purchase then?
Absolutely, 100%.
Fab. Cool.